these guys.
All
And
right, I think I'm live right now. Wait,
yeah,
yes, I think I'm live. Can you guys check?
yeah. Yes, you are.
Okay. I need to rename this.
Yes, you are right. I think this is the policy ID too, brother. Actually,
You said name reach Metaverse Eden continent?
yeah.
That's all I have to send?
No, the policy ID and the state address. Let me just send it.
Yep, shoot him over.
All right, I just renamed it. I love how your plane is just like floating right there. That's
Yeah, I
great.
nosedived it.
Yep.
I do.
And by the way, just so everyone knows, I'm admin, so I can actually delete everybody's stuff. But that will be different
Say
in the
that a
future.
less ominous way.
I don't know if it saves though because I don't own the NFT, so it probably doesn't. But I can add stuff, so that'll be fixed in the future. But yeah, so I can go on here and I can just sit down real quick. Let me full screen this and then take off. Where are you at, CJ?
I'm just doing some aerial shenanigans.
All right. Shuri, can you join us?
No,
We got another plane we gotta move out of somebody's land.
No problem. Yeah, and that giant thing, or we can just mint that. But yeah,
What can
we should
we,
really.
Oh, are we gonna have to move the spawn from somebody's, move that?
Yeah, we definitely should. Because somebody might buy that.
Somebody's gonna have a lot of unwanted guests in their front yard.
CJ, can you send those? I sent you the text.
But yeah, let me know if you guys are seeing my screen. Alex, are you able to see everything? And QDog, are you able to see everything?
Q-Dog can't see anything, he'll crash his computer.
I can see it. Yeah.
Oh wait, shit! You can hear me. Oh man. Okay, sorry.
I
Didn't know you
can
could
now.
hear me. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can we play this on the client or is it only with the VR?
No, this is non-VR right now.
Okay.
Yeah, you should see Eden as a playable option within the app.
Wait, I can land on your plane. Hold on.
Oh yeah, we gotta test that.
Yeah. Wait. Okay. Press left shift.
Oh, do I have to be?
So there's vehicles and you can start building already too.
Yep.
Yeah. Very, very basic builder. I mean, I wouldn't dedicate anything anytime yet until we start adding more buildable objects and stuff.
But it's also like very what?
Okay.
What are you guys doing with the fight?
I guess I could just like,
Oh, do you see the panel that shot all the way down?
yeah.
What are you
I wonder if I'll slide down that. That's actually really scary.
doing?
All right. Oh, no! Okay,
How are we
what
gonna
happens
get
if you
that thing?
move now? Can you move?
No, I can't.
Dead. Oh, you're stuck?
Oh wait, no, I had to re-level my plane.
There you
All
go.
right, Solomon, if you get on my plane,
I already fell. I'm dead.
no, I know.
Oh,
I'm gonna come down to the ground,
okay.
and then can you stand on top of the plane, and I will fly you up to the ramp.
Probably not, because I think when you get out, even inside the plane, it like flips it.
No, I mean literally just walk up the nose.
Okay, I can try.
CJ, can you please check your text, brother?
Oh yeah, no, I already sent him.
Oh, you did it? Everything?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
You got your fam?
Me.
All right. You're a little too high.
Okay, let me.
Maybe you can come up to this rock here.
Oops, I'm not doing chat right now. Shut off chat. Okay, so I need to go.
Oh. Nice. Oh, almost. Hold on. I can definitely make it up. All right, I'm on top.
Okay. Wow, you're actually moving me.
I'm like inside of it. Oh, yeah, I'm too heavy.
No,
I think the
Solomon,
plane
how much
weight.
have you been eating?
I don't know.
Okay, what if I put you on the tail? Or wait, would I
Probably
have
the
to
same
have you in the
thing.
center of gravity
Yeah,
so
I'd
you don't
probably
screw
have to
me?
be. Yeah,
Oh
but
my
even
goodness.
then, I don't think it would work right because I weigh more than the ship probably. Ship with a P.
Whose idea was that?
YouTube. No demonetize.
you did it, brother. I see your text. He is a proud owner of a nice little beach island.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
I see it, nice.
Wait, Solomon, I just had an idea.
I'm gonna keep spamming everyone.
So
That's the way to get people interested. Spam the shit out of them.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I said ship.
Yes. Exactly.
So Solomon, I've got my plane flipped upside down right now. So I'm curious if I go up to yours that we have stuck up in the air,
hmm
if I'll be able to land on the landed one?
Oh my god.
Upside down. Maybe.
Yeah.
Itch. Oh yeah, itch. That's the thing, right? Itch is the program I'm looking for.
Yeah, get
Yeah.
the itch app. Just Google
Yeah,
itch app. Yep.
I have it. I have it. I just don't know where I put it. You gotta search for it.
Yeah, we'll have our own installer at some point.
But it's far better to get something out now than not have anything for people. Because then we can iterate.
Oh, there it is.
We have one viewer on YouTube Live.
Can't buy. I'll try and come
I'll
back.
tweet out the YouTube live.
Okay.
I just realized I got a little bit focused on aerial shenanigans.
Buffalo. Where'd you buy, bud? Did you buy? Where'd you buy? I got an island. I'm gonna be. I'm gonna establish my own country.
Hold on, I'm gonna unmute you, Buffalo. Go ahead.
I'm gonna be. I'm gonna establish my own
I
country.
tried to buy that little island you bought, but you got it before me.
Dang. You guys want to see what it looks like? Hold on, let's see if I can find it.
Yeah, fly over to
Almost
it.
died.
I'm trying to buy a plot right above you, the city of Yor, but I can't. It won't let me right now. So
Sad face.
Is it saying that it's like? Is it showing buy or is it saying showing sold?
they're all showing sold to me. I relogged, came in, it said buy. I tried to buy it, and then it told me it's sold.
Are you on Brave?
So- No, I'm on Chrome.
Okay.
Because I had the showing all sold, but I just like whatever, and I still clicked, and I was able to buy them anyways.
Supposed to
I'm
have-
reloading now. I'll see if it works.
Wow,
Yeah,
this
you might just try.
And I
clicking.
only hesitated on that little island initially because I'm like, how are people going to connect if it's like a movable? Are they going to have a boat or a plane to get here? And I should have just grabbed it. But good grab.
Yeah.
okay, this is
And-
definitely not.
I wanted to buy some of the islands on the left. They're a bit
But you can't.
yeah, but they're not viable.
Yeah.
Next time
Okay,
The
looks like
only one left that's viable
is the
in-
massive one.
right.
Yeah, if you got like 20k ADA, go for it.
Yeah. Technically, I can't scroll to the right, so there might be another island to the right. I can't see it.
So if you are you on? Do you have a mouse?
Scroll bar at the bottom.
I do. Oh, no, I got it. I keyed
Click
over.
Yeah, or you can click the spin wheel thing and then.
and then all right, where'd you go, CJ?
I'm here.
Where's your ship?
Can we?
Maybe the one I'm trying to buy actually sold.
Yeah, ping me if you guys want to see your land, and send me the coordinates.
Can you show the website, brother? Solomon. Can you show the
Yes.
website and like how they buy it?
Yes. So
Hey, how
you
you
go to market.reachmetaverse.org and then map. It's probably showing on YouTube Live, but not on the Discord.
Did you guys post a YouTube live link on Twitter? Because there's a way you can do that.
Just did.
Okay.
Then close the disclaimer or download the Windows app, right? Reach Explorer. And then this is the map. And then how you buy, you can hold middle mouse to move around the map very easily. We'll make it so you can right click to drag. But and then you find a plot that you
and
like.
a lot of it wasn't even necessarily the insurance too. The
You can
insurance
click
was an
that.
issue, but there
Buffalo,
was
Buffalo.
just a lot of language about being there.
Mute
So,
Buffalo.
there you go. And then you can click on the land plot that you want. You click buy, and then it'll take you to NFT Maker. And then, yeah, from there you can cop that. And you have a discount, of course, if your wallet address is accurate. All right, that's it. And then if you want to search, like let's say, for example, I can't remember which ones I own. Let me actually drop out real quick.
And yeah, you can send manually, but that wallet should have the condo.
Yeah. So let's say I want to search for 165.58. I can just do this, right, Shuri? 165, 58. And then grass. And then it will show the land plot here. And you can try to buy it, but it's already minted, so you won't be able to. Unless you can.
Yours is 38. Not
Oh, yeah. Whoops. So 165.
yeah.
Hey, Solomon, where are you at right now? Are you
And
still
it's
flying around?
yeah. No, I left, but I will come back.
Okay.
I
So,
am
yeah.
coming back.
That's a sold one. Oh, by the way, we all own only grass ones. So
Nice.
What is
And
this big ship?
this is the spawn point. It's currently landed, but soon, there will be different world events and stuff that take place here. So like you'll have like storylines and everything in the metaverse. And part of that story will be probably the ship, and it will be flying around and stuff at a certain future point, but right now it's not.
I
But
like
this
it,
is where
man.
you spawn. So like if you were to go from the main menu real quick.
Oops.
Yep, unless CJ destroys it. I'm
Uh,
just kidding.
Nope. Nowhere near that at all.
come on, CJ.
I am a great.
And then you spawn inside here. And it's like a giant facility, so we'll have different furniture and stuff, and there'll be like I don't know, just a bunch of stuff that people could do here.
It's
And
like a
missions and
giant
stuff.
rave. Giant rave.
Yeah, sure. And yeah, people
This-
can actually do that. Like if you guys own a land plot, well, actually you can't link directly to it yet, but you will be able to soon. We're gonna add like the ability to plug in a URL into the Windows app so that you can actually spawn in people's land. But yeah, and if you want to host a party, you can do that.
Oh yeah.
And yeah,
These buildings are demos.
yeah, this is just a demonstration building, so let me give you an example. So like we have like pre-built buildings, right? We didn't really have a whole lot of time to go in and make like a bunch of furniture yet, but as the weeks go by, we'll update everyone and say, hey, we just added this new pack and blah blah blah. But then this one right here, Pace Homemade,
Yo, Shelby. Oops, sorry.
it's like a little house mansion type thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one I made, I'm still making, but yeah, this is like you can use the these pieces here to build your own like little house and stuff. But yeah. And then the door actually works too, so let me respawn. Oh, let me spawn on my land plot. I don't feel like running over there.
Hey, one second.
And this will all work on mobile and Quest as well at a future date. It pretty much does now. We just want to make sure that when we put it out, it's not like super laggy.
Oops.
Hey, so if it shows that the NFT is sold when you click the buy button, it's already reserved or sold. That's the issue for Buffalo.
Yeah.
I gotcha. Sorry, I didn't mean to server mute you, Buffalo. But
No, that's fine. I had a work call rolling, and I couldn't find the mute button, so I just walked out of the room. Anyway, all of them are back to saying sold for me, even when I relog, and even if I click it, add it to cart, and go to NFT Maker, I dropped a screenshot in the Gen chat. It still says sold. So if it gets to that point, is it really sold?
No,
think
if you
that
can get to
that's-
NFT Maker, I had that problem. I sent the transaction through and I got all my plots.
Oh, I see you, Salomon. Can I hop in?
So, like, if you extend the edit to buy that, it's going to be minted to you, and it's going to come back to your wallet. If that's the question.
Could you guys check out a spot for me?
yes. You know the
210
coordinates.
109.
Okay. Let's go back to this ship. Oh, you know what?
Ooh.
We lost all of them.
CJ,
We might
come
be
on.
able to jump up there.
Yeah, I might have parked a little bit too high and slid out of the craft.
No, we won't be able to make that.
Aren't you an admin? Can't you just like spawn in like I don't know, Star Destroyer?
We could, but we don't actually have a Star Destroyer to
to?
spawn in. So
It's Solomon.
I
I
know.
know the solution. We have to
What?
get that land plot and then build a ramp to it.
Yeah. No.
Just
We'll just rejoin, relog. And I'll just do it. I'll do a private instance. And then
Yeah, that works.
fly over to it. Oh, that's on the condo page? No, he's on map. I keep forgetting how to get out of this thing. There you go. So let's take this. There needs to be like an ultra sprint mode right now.
What happens when you make the world this big?
I
Hey,
know.
Ammo Mafia, like what type is that? It says not viable NFT.
Android Mafia?
Ammo Mafia.
Ammo Mafia.
Yeah. You can. I unmuted you. You can speak now.
so it's 210 109.
210, 109, okay.
It's right by the city.
Okay.
Wait, Solomon, are you in a private instance?
Yes.
Oh, that's sad.
So this is 210 and then 109.
That large building you have there, is that not something?
No, you
That's
can't buy that.
yeah.
No,
That's
but
city of.
that's the city?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's partly the city. This is just a plop down thing. We just plopped something
Okay.
in, but we're
That's
actually
It's a very big tower.
oh yeah. And this thing is going to expand. So I don't know if you can vaguely see the circle here, but this thing is going to expand like throughout this whole area. And that's where the condos will be as well.
Okay.
210.
Any ETA for when that will be?
In In the coming
yeah, I can see it.
weeks, maybe this month, if not 109.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Solomon, we need to add some like this is how you exit. We need some arrows to the exit of the ship.
Yes.
So, okay. Are you on the 109? Or no, there.
7, 8, 9.
It must be there. Must be there.
Yes. 2,
Nice.
10. It's right here.
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna get it.
There you
Will
go.
waterfront make any difference as far as things you can do, or is it just view?
Just view for now. Yeah, no.
You want to take a peek at 216.44 if you can?
Yes, absolutely. So 216.
Will you be able to build down?
You mean like edit the terrain?
Underground.
Technically you can, but for that you'd probably have to make your own like space, like meta space, and then link to it via a portal.
Okay.
So
Yeah, we didn't do
Bourbon, did you buy my land?
building yet.
As soon as you said the square, I went there and bought it.
Did you really?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh man, I was like, damn it! I was like, god damn it!
210 what?
Yeah.
54, I think you said.
44. Yeah, 216.44.
Oh, it's right
So
here.
yeah.
Nice.
So it's definitely beachfront.
Oh yes. So this is it's the full acre too, so it'd be like, I guess from, oh, I guess half of your thing is in the water.
Oh, is that one half in the water? I thought that was the first one that was fully not in the water.
Oh no, it is not. Okay, you're right.
Okay. So yeah, it starts right there essentially, right?
Yeah.
Because the next one down is like quarter in the water, and the one after that's whatever. But
Yes.
the fact that I don't have trees, does that give me less material to start?
Nope, you can build anything. So how the builder works, I should probably show that. Try to get out of the ship. We definitely need it, so if you actually get out of here, it saves that you actually got out, so that you don't have to do it all over again. Sadly,
So like the
Pastel is
one
not
below
here.
it that has 25% of it in the water, you can't actually access the water, or would you just build on top of it as if the water was sand?
You'd have to, yeah, build on top of it. So like you'd have like a boathouse type thing.
Right.
See if I can go to my land plot here. I may have to rejoin, I guess. I don't know why. Whoa.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm not muted.
No, that's all good.
Hey, is Squid in the air, man, now?
I see, nope, I don't see him.
At least not. So, okay. So, guys, yeah, if you have 250 ADA and NFTs, those NFTs hold ADA, so it should be more than 250, not including the ADA that is holded by the assets that you guys have.
Nice.
So yeah, that's why transaction didn't go through for one user. So
Interesting. But yeah.
Yeah.
If let's say for example, like they bought this over here. Oh, I can't place there because I don't own that. But if they owned that, they can place and then they can use the edit tool and then move it up a little bit.
Hey, Solomon, can you quickly take a screenshot of the city of Ur on the land? Like when you're flying?
Okay, yes. I don't think there's any more planes here.
Which part of the land? It should be on the right side. Okay, let's show them. So Should I highlight it and show them the city of our?
Yeah,
Or
I already did earlier.
really? Okay, somebody asked.
Yeah, scroll up, and it's right
Oh,
here.
okay. Yeah. Can you?
But yeah, you could probably
Yes, please. So this is the.
all right. Let me do a
Oh,
private.
Squib.
Mhm.
I think I wonder if he doesn't have a condo.
Please.
Yeah, he can't if
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, what's up, hey?
Today.
How's it going?
Good.
So how's
So
everything?
far, so good. You know,
So far, it's okay. We cut it really close, you
nothing
know?
has crashed yet, so
Yeah.
I'm not complaining.
What's that?
I said nothing's crashed yet, so I'm not complaining. My biggest, I think I told you guys this before. My biggest fear was that something would go down and then Solomon would lose power because of the hurricane.
What happened?
I was so stressed that that would happen.
Going great. Yeah, it's going great so far. It's just answering some questions in general and all of that.
Yeah, can you join me in the metaverse, Pay? If you're available. CJ, can you exit so we can reset the world? And then I'm gonna ask Crypto Guy if you could reset or exit so we can reset.
Just fix my shenanigans with the planes.
Yeah, I didn't add that kick functionality yet, so
Mm.
there's no way to like kick people. Actually, I can reset it myself.
How do you do that?
Update metadata.
Okay.
You
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
you have the condo in that wallet, right? Buffalo.
All right, should be able to join now.
Let me
Still having issues, Buffalo?
Yeah, still can't get past the NFT's already been sold. Sorry to inform you, it's already sold. Blah 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 screen. So like I can select it on the map. I can add it to the cart, even though it says it's sold. But then it gives you in your cart. It gives you that little 250 ADA thing.
Yeah.
And then when I go down NFT Maker, it just says sorry, but it's been sold, and there's no way to advance past that. So
Interesting.
someone said they just sent payment, but I don't know where they sent it. It doesn't give me an address to send to. It doesn't give me a button to click to buy it. And I'm trying to get a group of 3, and I've tried each one individually and not doing it.
Do you
So
think that's an NFT maker thing, Shori?
what?
Would that be on our side or NFT maker side?
Oh, it's NFT Maker site. You have condos in that wallet, right?
Yep. Got 30 condos in that wallet.
There you go. Well, tell us which ones you want, and then we'll just mint them. How about that? Is that okay, Shori?
I'll send you the send manually address or personally to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
To like actually text me.
So I jumped from the lower beach and went to the north beach, but and maybe you guys can tell me. Maybe someone already bought these because I think it's a good spot. But it's the 265 110 spot. Or wait, is it did I click the wrong one?
What is that?
Yeah.
260.
So 265
Uh-huh.
109.
265 and what was the last one?
Then it's what? Then it's 265 110, and then it's 266 110. So those 3.
It is available, actually.
It is available. Okay, yeah. I don't know why NFT Maker's not let me go past. I sent a screenshot in Gen Chat. That's as far as I
Yeah.
can get.
I saw that. Okay, so do you want me to send the like send manually address to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's 265, 110, 266, 110.
265, 110, 266, 110, and then 265, 109. So it kind of create the other one in that square isn't available because that's water, but that's fine because it's view.
Oh, yeah, I'll just do that. Yeah, I see your text. So it's what are those? Oh, it's beach. Interesting.
Yeah. Top corner of the city area
Yeah.
on the beach. You know, where all the rich people move in real life, right? Outside the city, just a little bit on the beach.
Yep, there you go.
Are you able to install or launch it in the PC yet?
Yep. Hey, what's up, Pay?
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, bro.
So
CJ, can you
Have you
join us
guys?
too?
checking if I'm not a robot. That's cool.
And Crypto Guy, if you're still available, can you join us?
All right, and you just hit me with the address, right? We have
265.
private chats. I know it's not scammers.
Do that 265, 110.
So people are saying every area is sold. Oh, that's the button.
The the bug button. Oh, I think 266, 110 is sold, brother.
266, 110 is sold. All right.
Dang.
See, you say it live on air, and all of a sudden it sells. Just creating demand.
Yeah, that's probably why.
Uh,
Oh yeah, it's not loading for you, brother.
Yeah, 265, 109 is also sold. So
all right. Well, I'm going to buy this one. I'm going to look at the map again.
hopefully somebody doesn't run faster, I guess. Oh, when it's reserved, like nobody can do it. Yeah.
All right. So that 250 I'll just send right now, and then I'll start looking again. Bug you. Actually, I got to jump on the work call that I'm 3 minutes late for. Holy shit. Got to go, guys.
No problem.
See.
I
So I was
have not
working for
checked
him.
the live chat. I can't move the map. Have to. Oh, sorry, Gaiki. I don't know how long ago you responded or you typed that, but to move the map, it's very well, if you don't have a mouse, you can use both fingers. Usually, on a laptop, you can use both fingers to simulate a scroll. So you can scroll up and down or left and right, and it will do that. So that was a YouTube live comment. Somebody asked how to move it. We'll update it so it's easier.
So if all of this show sold on the website, if the sold button is not disabled, you can actually click it.
Yes, so that everyone knows the sold thing is deceiving right now. It's deceptive. So you can still click it and buy it. Not sure why that's happening. Maybe it's like caching the button state.
Yep.
But yeah. So yeah, I'm not sure why it didn't load those, Pay. Maybe an internet thing.
Probably.
Yeah, I'll probably just have to add like a retry on those so like it retries at least once. Right now it's
Yep.
just 0, so
Buffalo actually got it. It went through.
sweet.
And the
Yay.
one that the one that is red means it's already sold. You can't click it.
If the sold button is disabled, it's already reserved or somebody else is buying it. If the sold button is not disabled, you can actually click it to get the link. It's just the website
You- This is
caching.
brilliant, guys. Well done on this. This is amazing. I don't know how you guys pulled this off so fast.
Last minute.
Last minute.
Yeah, we were.
It's all
Well,
right.
we're a small team, so
Very small team.
we
Yes,
just keep
please, guys, have mercy
burning.
on
Yeah,
us. We're not.
this
Yeah,
is the
thank
team.
you guys so much for bearing
Yeah,
with us.
we're not
We
like
were.
Hey,
Ada
but we're doing
Village
this.
and all these other projects and
Yeah,
stuff like that. So
We were
yeah.
kind of freaking out, but hopefully everything's working
We
out.
we we went the hard route of we raise money or we build it, then we mint, not the other way around. And then
Which,
we're
for
doing it
some
debt
reason,
free.
people don't do. Like,
right.
that's the
Right.
way business has been done for years.
Exactly.
I could go on a whole rant about that, but that's not here nor there.
Yeah.
But yeah, we hope you guys enjoy this. This is something to work really hard for, and yeah. So the price, it comes with a lot of good stuff. So yeah, it's just kind of like
Yeah, this project is not like done. Like after we buy the land, we're not just like gonna let you go after that. You know,
Yeah,
like we're gonna
we have so
continuously
many
develop a
features we want to
story.
add.
Yes, absolutely. Features, buildable objects, you'll be able
yep,
to make your own spaces and link them to your land and all sorts of crazy stuff that is working, you know? Like we're not like I'm showing it right now. And you saw earlier we had at least 5 people with us, and this should support a lot more than that. I'm thinking like right now, probably like 50 per instance, but as we improve the networking, it's going to be at least like 100 or 200 is the final goal. Um, and you'll be able to link to your land and stuff like that. So look forward to a lot more and a developing story as well. We have an actual story writer and all this
yeah.
stuff. So
So are you guys or are you on YouTube Live right now?
yes,
Awesome. Yeah, we can talk about. Have you went over the Zeppelin and all that? And
I have not. Well, I briefly said how what we're using it for. It's going to be a spawn point. There'll be a story there. It'll eventually be flying around and stuff.
Mhm.
That's all I mentioned, though.
All right, you guys want to talk about the story, what we have in mind, and everything?
Yeah.
All right. What about?
1 second.
Okay.
Sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. So we can start. I would like to hear from our audience. What would you guys think so far? What do you guys want to? In particular, what do you want to what do you want to ask about in particular for like the storyline, what we have in mind, how people might be able to monetize this, and so on. Any questions?
Yeah. Go ahead and leave your questions in the YouTube ch live chat and or the chat in the AMA or general. It's fine.
Or honestly, I mean, if there's just plots that you want to see, that'll be something
Yeah,
people can fly
Yeah.
around and look at.
Absolutely. Yeah.
yeah.
Crypto guy, if you could rejoin, we'd love to have you join us.
We can. Oh, yeah. We can hop on the plane. Have you gone on the plane yet?
No, yes. Yeah, me and
Yeah,
CJ had a
yeah,
little
but
bit of fun earlier.
you missed some aerial shenanigans earlier. We found out that you can land one plane on top of the other midair, but if you fall out of it, the plane's stuck.
That's hilarious. Okay, that was not intentional, but
And then
it sounds cool.
yeah, I also seem to be really good at flipping my plane upside down. and
Oh,
flying upside down. So that's a skill that apparently I have.
aerobatics. All right, let's
Yes.
hop on this plane. And Solomon, do you want to fly? I'll be your pilot.
Sure.
Wingman.
Co-pilot meaning backseat driving.
Nice.
So yeah, let's start with going to the city of Ur.
Okay.
Have you?
Yeah,
Um,
we've
have
already
you,
flown around that and stuff.
okay. Yeah. So just want to discuss about what is currently in development. So right now we're experimenting condo view. So we're thinking that this may or may not happen. We're not promising this, but because of performance, we have to balance the performance very carefully. So, but what I was thinking, what Solomon and I are thinking is, when you actually spawn in the condo, you're literally spawning in Eden in this map. So when you look out the window of the condo apartments, you actually see everything. You just basically see the entire continent of Eden, and if everybody is walking around, you'll see exactly what's going on. But that's really uh, a really hard task to do. We may or may not be able to pull that off. But worst case, the fallback is that it's going to be like you join in and it's just a static view. You still have the same view, but it will not be like live. So
Yeah.
because it will be very very difficult to pull off, but that's one of the things you want to incorporate. So
Yeah, and
that's just one thing.
when you go outside too, I just want to mention like um there will be people like in the streets and stuff like that, and the shops and everything that are outside will be in the Eden land. So if somebody was flying a helicopter or wanted to land, they would be able to see people. It's not going to be
Yeah.
like, yeah.
So we're going to make, obviously people are gonna be people, and if we allow flying, it's gonna be a mess, right? So we're gonna have like a restricted airspace for the city, so
Yes.
it won't be super chaotic. And the next thing is we want to talk about is the land, like how. Well, we're gonna talk about the spawning of Eden. So the question arises where some people in our Discord ask, like, what if you don't have the land? How can you go to Eden? The answer is yes, absolutely. So if you have the land, you know how you spawn. You just spawn through inventory and you spawn the land plot right away. And I'm sure Solomon already covered the blue flashing that you're seeing. That's just basically the system is actually loading people's land plot.
Yeah.
Like if all those land plots are populated with people's buildings, it will load and you'll see exactly what people have built there.
Which I'm
So
not gonna
that's
lie, I really love the aesthetic of the blue lightning. Like I know it wasn't intentional for that, but it looks really freaking cool.
Yeah.
looks like
Awesome.
Aurora,
Yeah, it does.
like Tron Aurora. So
Yeah,
yeah,
it
and
does get a little overwhelming when it's like loading all like
yeah,
1,000.
yeah, and not everybody's going to be able to have a plane like this because that will really hurt some performance. So the plane will be like a big reward for some NFT prizes that people can actually win. So there's going to be a limit amount of special vehicle that can fly this fast and load vast amount of land plots at a time.
Yes.
But back
Yeah.
to
Just to show an example
um,
real quick. So like right
yeah,
now, we're far away from this, at least within the view distance, and we'll improve that to so it's like super far. But for right now, we reduced it just so we can have it, performance first. And then if I go up close, you'll start to see it flashes blue, and what you're seeing now is it's loading me and Paisl's land plot, and it's actually replaying the build, but what that's doing is actually loading each individual prefab. Um, and then yeah, so sorry, just had to mention that.
yeah, absolutely. So if your internet is bad, it's just going to keep flashing, and then until it loads, and that's how you know that okay, you might need a better internet, but it will not affect much other performance. But back to spawning. if you don't own the land, where will you spawn, right? So we have plans to have the ship, as you see that big brown ship down there. It's called the Zeppelin. That's basically the ship that everybody will spawn, but it will be flying, and it will be flying on a random uh, waypoints. And the reason why we're doing that is so that it eliminates like the clutter spot where people just really want to buy this land plot because that's where everybody spawns. So we're introducing the Zeppelin to kind of mitigate that. So if you don't own the land and anybody just wants to join and play, you would join in the Zeppelin, and the Zeppelin will be pretty much flying around randomly, so you can actually see preview a showcase of people's land plot and what they have built. So you can actually say, "Oh, I really like that land plot, or I really like that area. I want to check that out." And you can just hop off the Zeppelin and then go to your desired destination. So yeah, that's what the purpose of the Zeppelin is, and how people without land plots can spawn.
Yep.
Any questions so far with that?
Yeah, it looked like land plots didn't load, so I'll have to investigate why. But
So actually, let's wrap this AMA up, brother, just for the Q&A, and we'll answer the questions in general for the sale, and we can push an AMA next week to explain like what you can do and what we can do with the
We'll
land.
have some more announcements coming out, and especially we'll need to do something similar with the whitelist sale as well as the public sale on the 7th. So
Yep. I see a comment saying that how much can you build on one land plot of land? The answer is as much as you want, is whatever you want to build. So, but eventually there will be some kind of moderation later on. We would hire mods, just like how we have mods in Discord. We would have mods in the metaverse as well, just in case something's gone wrong and if you have questions and stuff like that. But there will be somewhat moderation, but we're not going to be crazy Nazi about it. So about what people can build, but to answer your question, you can build as whatever you want to build. And the height limit, there is a height limit so that people don't get blocked, their view get blocked too much. So, and then we will start around 400 meters as how tall you can build, and then we will go from there. If it's not a problem, we might increase it one by one, but we're going to start there first.
yeah, and if you're noticing their biome don't have weather yet, we're aware of that, and only the grass biome is populated with objects at the moment. But each biome will have its own unique objects, and we're thinking about it, like adding animals and stuff, but just something we're thinking about, like NPCs, I guess.
Yep.
So each biome has its own unique graphical features.
Yeah.
And yeah, weather as well. So like in desert, there will be sandstorms and stuff, and the snowy
Yep.
areas, there's
Right
obviously
now
gonna be
we have rainstorm and typhoon.
yes.
Like it rains heavily, and there's a lot. We have like super foggy day and stuff like that. But yeah, later on we'll have different weather, and that we can also talk about the quests. So one of the quests we're working on. Oh, you probably saw Edendale. Edendale is kind of like a demo of like an individual quest. That's like a static quest. You launch it, it's a game, it's one experience. But the next quest that we're working on is it's going to be something that takes place inside the city of Ur in District 1. And it's going to be essentially a real like a real live quest that actually tracks your progress. So it's kind of like a quest where you would see in MMOs, right? And then so that's the second type of quest. And just to give a hint, it's basically something really funny, involve like a tomato. Like you have to find a real tomato because for a metaverse restaurant, La Campala or something like that, Carrie wrote, and it's a Mexican restaurant in the metaverse that needs a real tomato because the synthesized food is it's not that great. So I don't know, and you basically have to do some crazy things in the metaverse to find this real tomato seed, and then essentially it's just another way to test how voice acting, cutscenes, inventory system is going to work in the metaverse, incorporating with NFT stuff and blockchain. Because at the end of the day, be rewarded with I think a tomato as an NFT or something like that, and then it's kind of like a trophy, and then that will be one of the first thing that we can actually enable for metaverse gaming type stuff. Now, if let's say crypto guy wants to allow that tomato to have some kind of special privilege in one of his worlds, he can do that. Like the world that he create, which is I think Island or something, Survival Island. It looks beautiful, by the way. If he wants to make it so that this tomato, if you have this tomato NFT, you can actually plant a tomato tree. He can do that. So just kind of like an idea. And so that's the next thing that we're going to do. The one after that, it's going to be something that incorporates more of a multiplayer live event type. So we'll start with the Tomato Quest, and after that, we're going to have another quest that involves like more traveling farther. So now you're going to have to kind of get a car, that kind of thing. And yeah, so we're going to be really inclusive on who can be a part of it, and also this will answer the question of does the quest only has to be or exclusive for crypto owners or NFT owners? The answer is no, it's not going to be. So it's I'm hearing myself as a feedback.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
sure. I wonder if that's on YouTube.
Probably. No, I mute YouTube.
Oh,
Anyway, I see that Solomon's in VR now. That's pretty cool.
yeah, I have to lower the graphics quite a bit, obviously.
Yeah.
But
yeah, that's really what we have in mind, or what we have in store for us. And just a nutshell, basically, the more land we sell, like the more tiles that are sold, the more things we're going to be able to add, because that's going to give us more resources to hire contractors, hire people to be a part of the development of this. So
yeah,
this is really cool that I can see Solomon. You guys don't see my screen, but I can see Solomon moving around with his hands, and it's really cool. And
yeah.
so this
And
is just kind of give you an idea of a vast world, very vast world, and works with VR. I'm gonna go. Yeah, let's go fly.
okay. I was gonna
Do
try
I
to.
have to fly, or do you? Can you fly?
Yeah, I don't think there's flight controls on VR.
Yeah, I didn't put flight control for VR in here yet. But here we go. If you want to fly in the metaverse,
Let's close this, Amy, brother. It's 1 hour, so let's keep
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay. Can we just fly back to the beach real quick then?
let's do it.
Mhm.
All right, here we go. So yeah, let's just sum up. That's what we have. The more land we can sell, the more things we can add. And but yeah, but regardless, we're going to
This
be adding.
is just the beginning.
Oh yeah.
Yep, this is just. All right. I'm lost. So that's another thing that we're going to add later on very soon.
This is a
Is the map.
huge continent,
So we don't have any
guys.
map yet. So, yeah, it's a huge continent. But I can reference the city, so I think I know where I'm going, and I can.
Yeah, I see the
I see
Zeppelin
the
over there.
Yep. So here we go. That's it. Thank you for
Awesome.
joining in, and thank you for being part of this project.
Yep.
We really appreciate all of you and the support you
Yep.
guys have given us.
Absolutely.
Oh, I noticed the water doesn't work in VR. I'll have to fix that. It's funny. Alright. I will respawn now. Well, I'm in the Zeppelin now. I just respawned, but
Always something.
oh, who's that? Is that crypto guy over there? Okay. But yeah, there's Spay down there. And oh yeah, and voice and everything works in the metaverse.
And by the way, the Ledger wallets, if you're trying to use hardware wallets, it did not work with the payment gateway last time for the condos, so I assume it won't work for this one too.
Yeah.
So it has to be extensions your Inami or anything like that, and or you can send manually and you'll get the NFT.
And also stay tuned. We're gonna the next update we'll put in
We're
furniture.
we're definitely gonna ramp it up the AMA sessions and more announcements. Like
Yep.
try to go faster, I guess. So
Yeah,
I
that's
mean-
it. So that's it. That's all.
Yeah, I'm fine with, I mean, I'll end the YouTube live, but I'm fine with staying on and just playing if anybody wants to talk. Are we not allowed to do that?
So let's get this AMA short so we can share this and we can restart it again later.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just kind of confused, like why? But
Yeah. This is
Alright.
just for the land sale Q&A and we can do the development updates later.
all right, thanks everyone for joining in on YouTube Live. And
Yep.
yeah,
Thank
God
you.
bless.
Thanks so much.